Good afternoon, traders. Alrighty. Welcome to our Trading Logic Recap Wednesday, 6/3/20. Uh, Not going to sugarcoat this one. We didn't lose any money today, but we didn't make any money today. Sat on our hands for 3 trades. Had 3 recommendations. None of them triggered. Uh, we spend a lot of time in the morning from 6 a.m. right up to the market opens just about, examining trades, narrowing it down through the scanners, and then doing technical analysis to get us to, 1 to 6 possible good possibilities for the day. Today we came up with 3. Unfortunately, in our sideways market, none of these worked. None of them happened. None triggered, unfortunately. But I'm not going to waste too much time. We're going to get right into this, and I'll show you why. We're on a nice streak, 38 and 4, 38 green, 4 red, 16 green days in a row. But today was a neutral day. It was a nothing day. We didn't lose, we did nothing. But we're gonna move into the first one, SECO. SECO. We wanted this thing to go. Let me see here. Let's see. Let's just pop back here a second and jump back there. Just give me 1 second. We gotta get that slide to come out a little bit better. It's cutting off half the chart. There we go. All right, SECO. No strength, nothing. This one, we wanted it to. We had to see this thing break a pre-market high to have any confidence in it at all. It started out in the morning, did 1 or 2 minute surge, pop, and then look what happened. Look at this thing. It just died. So nothing there. That was over. All right. Then we're going to move on to WISA. WISA, I think I'm still waiting for this thing. Not really. I wouldn't wait that long. But WISA, nothing happened. We had a trigger point at $2.47. It had all of the technicals were almost perfect on this. It needed some volume, needed a little bit of volume, but that wasn't too bad because only a 1 million share float, and everything looked wonderful. It really did. It looked really good, except it just never got there. It showed a little bit more strength than we thought it would. We were hoping to, get down around this 247, and I can almost guarantee if it got there, it was going to skip up, back up to this 297, $3 range. But unfortunately, it didn't get there, so we just banged our head against the wall a little bit, waiting for this one to happen, and it didn't, and it just didn't. So there you go with that one. I promise it won't get any better here on the next one coming up. Next one coming up is APPS apps. Missed it by that much. Okay, this one we saw a nice solid 750 entry number on this one, right? Opened up, whatever it opened up at, 780 something, whatever. And it dropped down as low as 775. It's just so frustrating sometimes. But not the end of the world. It just is what it is. It happens. So it dropped down to 775, almost hit that 750 number. When you look at it, in relation to everything else, the stock moved pretty well. So 25 cents more would not have been a big jump. But it didn't get there. It didn't make it. And it took off without us. Got all the way up to like 875, 890, somewhere in that ballpark. So it was a nice mover. It really was. Anywhere you would have sold this, you would have made money for the most part. um, for the whole part, actually. But, you know, some people just lament over this kind of thing. Like, oh my God, I should have. Oh, I wish I would have. If I blah 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 blah. Shut up. Listen, tomorrow I might have three of them that all trigger at the number, and they're all going to fly. Who knows? There may not be any tomorrow. There might be three of them. There might be four of them. There might be one. Who knows? It doesn't matter. They're going to come. They always do. They always do. Sometimes you get them, and sometimes you don't. All of the logical indicators said 750 on this one, and it just never quite got there. But you know, it's what happened. Missed it. All right. So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I don't really worry much about that stuff, and I don't think much about it, and till everything's over. Once everything's over, it's gone. It's out of my brain. So please don't forget to follow us. All right? It would really help. We work hard, man, every day from 6 a.m. right on up to bring you trade information that could have you at 38 and 4 in your last 42 trades. Okay, 16 straight green days. Would you like that? Well, if you'd like that, then like us, follow us, like this video. Comments are welcome. Be more than happy to answer them on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. Whatever you want to do. But listen, we have to self-promote. It's important. So everybody does it these days, right? But getting off of the self-promotion part, we've got some final thoughts. Final thoughts. Sometimes no action is the best action. I don't know how to really drive this one home. Almost everybody, no matter what, if they're having a day where 3 of their trades don't trigger, they're going to start really trying to sniff stuff out and find things and just blindly jump into trades. Or they're going to look at their trade and say, well, it didn't trigger my number, but it's close, so, it's within $1. Maybe I'll get in right here because I have FOMO and I have to get in on this trade, and I have to lose $1,000 today. It's important. Sometimes no action is the best action. All right, let's put it this way. It doesn't make you green for the day, but the most important thing is it doesn't make you red. So you had a neutral day in trading. I will take a neutral day anytime over a red day. Because if you go, let's say you're trading and your average number per day is like $500, win or lose, right? It's Wednesday, and let's say you got into a trade, you forced it in because you want the market to bend to your will, so you forced it in. You forced it in, and you lost $500. Now, tomorrow, if you make $500, guess where you are? You're still neutral. So why go through all of that? If it's not going to hit your number, be neutral today without having, a heart attack or agita or whatever. Just if it's not going to happen, it's not going to happen. It's that simple. Logic. Trading logic. Guess that's where we got our name from. Anyway, but trading logic. You have to use logic when you're trading. You can't use emotion. You can't use feeling. Just doesn't work. All right? So, don't forget, we're 38 and 4, 16 straight green days. Don't forget, like us, love us, whatever. We need you to do that so we can keep bringing you the content. And now for the legal stuff. Legal. Let's see, a specific investment strategy or product made reference directly to or indirectly in this video will be profitable, equal any corresponding indicated historical performance levels are suitable for your portfolio. Due to various factors, including change of market conditions, the content may no longer be reflected, blah, 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 blah. All right. So, I put the legal up here. You saw it. Everybody happy? All right. The judge gavel, kind of, legal. Get it? Get it? And then the judge from 1716. All right. So anyway, that's it. That's it. Quiet, quiet, quiet. No, nothing. Just do nothing day today. Absolutely nothing day today. But we'll be back tomorrow because tomorrow may bring a boatload of excitement. That's what we always hope for anyway. But we won't know that until about between 6 and 8 a.m. tomorrow when we're doing our scanning and technical analysis that we will bring to you for your benefit. All right, so everyone have a wonderful day, and we'll see you back tomorrow.